bust his chin. Her mom works for the police station. They done got her mom suspended without pay.
Police people did?
Yeah, her mom works for the police station. They done tased her kids. So she's going to terminal fairs and different things like that. Trying to find out what we can tasing my kids for. They have to go to the hospital and get the hooks out of them and everything. They tased them with the one with the string on. They had to go.
And Leah is 13 years old.
They had to go to the
13 years old.
Taken out of them. So her mom is
This
snapping.
is how it's going down in Wilmington.
Like she's supposed to. So what they did, they laid her off. They had her suspended without pay.
How they gonna suspend her without pay just for that? I mean, because
right. Because she's
it's bigger than that. It's bigger than that. Her mom know too much. She's a cop. Her mom is a cop.
Literally, like you know, the police talk to her, tell them different little things, this and that. You know how they do. And then now it doesn't happen to her kids, so she like no shit. It's like they gotta get rid of her.
Right.
You know what I mean? They can't be letting it. I don't care what they. I would be standing on the court step right now.
That's crazy.
Officer Steele and Officer whatever his name, taser my 13-year-old dude. I'd be pacing out right now sweating. I wouldn't care.
We ready to go. Yeah. And then here's one of the victims. Here's one of the victims.
Her back.
Charnay Reynolds. I mean, she probably don't want to be on camera due to the fact that, you know what I'm saying, she was a victim of police brutality. But I'm coming to you live. This is KAV television. Something got to happen. Something got to happen. Something got to give. 13 years old. It's no telling. And her sister is slim as that pole right there. You can't just grab her. You have to taser her. Come on, man. That's too much. That's too much. It's not right, man.
Like down a little bit from where Ice used to live. They live in a couple blocks down. Like 600 blocks down like somewhere.
What else? I mean, come on, man. I thought it was protect and serve. I thought it was protect and serve. That's what I thought, but it's not. You know what I'm saying? You guilty first. We guilty first. It's getting to a point where we can't even chill in the hood no more. Like the neighborhoods we grew up in. It's what you doing? Where you at? Where you from? Are you in the gang? What's the tattoos? All this extra stuff. Don't nobody want to have to go through this. Like I've been, you know what I mean? We done lived on every side of town. You know what I'm saying? We from here. Dealing with some of y'all that ain't even from here. You know what I mean? Y'all itching to like tase or put a bullet in one of us, man. Like calm down. Cause we calm as hell. We ain't trying to have y'all fuck us all up. You know what I'm saying? You know? It's getting out of control, man. It's getting out of control.